From the chaos that marked the ouster of Somalia's strongman Siad Barre in 1991, two autonomous regions have since emerged as oases of peace in the volatile area, Puntland and Somaliland. This is Hargeisa, the capital of Somaliland, which, unlike Puntland, wants total independence from Somalia. Despite the turmoil faced by cities like Mogadishu, tranquility and progress has been achieved. Hargeisa has been in a carnival mood following the third successful democratic elections that have ushered in Ahmed Mohamed Mohamud Silanyo as the fourth president. During the peaceful swearing-in and handover, former President Dahir Rayale Kahen gave assurances that the peace the enclave has enjoyed for the past 20 years will be maintained. Residents of the peaceful enclave, filled with pride, challenged the rest of Africa to embrace peaceful, democratic elections.
The democracy is an example for all African countries, and Asian countries, because we have been doing this for the last 20 years.
I think it's the first time in Africa that the elected president is handing the election to the president.
And I feel so great, and this is a very historic day today for Somaliland, how it happened for the democratic election.
Despite a constant struggle for international recognition, the swearing-in had the makings of a national event with representatives from Kenya, Djibouti, Ethiopia and Yemen. An ecstatic Silanyo spoke to us during the official banquet.
We wish the international community could support us in our cause, and the international community as well as African countries.
Itadumu kwa sababu Somaliland imekuwa na amani miaka 20 sasa. Na mahali ambapo unaongea juu yake Southern Somalia ilikuwa na hiyo shida kwa miaka 20 iliyopita. Kwa hivyo wao wanajuana. Watu wanasema Waswahili wanajuana kwa vilemba.
Somaliland, a former British colony, and like Southern Somali, a former Italian colony, was keen earlier on to separate from the Mogadishu-run Somalia. These separatist sentiments led to a large-scale bombing crackdown by former dictator Ahmed Siad Barre, using the dreaded Russian MiG bomber fighter jets, killing more than 60,000 civilians. And so for now, Somaliland is keen to protect its hard-won freedom and peace. If the tight security at the Hargeisa State House is anything to go by. Despite being in the midst of turmoil and suffering from endemic clanism that has derailed their neighbors in Somalia, Somaliland is scaling further new heights following the successful conclusion of their third democratic elections and right here, the inauguration of their president. Boni Odinga, KTN, Hargeisa, Somaliland.